Los agentes acudieron al aeropuerto después de que una mujer intentara entrar por la fuerza en un vuelo en el que se le acababa de denegar el embarque. A pesar de afirmar que estaba completamente sobria y que era profesional de la salud, fue detenida tras un prolongado enfrentamiento en la pasarela de embarque. Finalmente se le imputaron cargos por alteración del orden público y embriaguez en la vía pública tras negarse a abandonar la terminal.
I'm literally gonna sue all of you. My seat is 35B. I've been recorded. This is on the video. Don't touch me.
Can I take this backpack off, please?
No.
Just real quick. Let me talk to you, all right? Come on.
You are hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
No.
We're not trying to. Just let's walk this way.
You are hurting me.
We're not trying to, trust me.
What do you mean you're not trying
We're just detaining you right now
Like,
for your
it
behavior. Don't resist. Don't resist.
Ma'am,
I will resist.
Don't resist.
Don't touch me.
Just put your hands behind your back. All right?
just relax.
I haven't done
Okay,
anything
relax.
wrong.
I'm gonna go talk to you.
I'm
We're
a
gonna-
nurse practitioner and I'm going
What's wrong?
to work.
What
Put your hands
happened?
behind your
I
back.
had a few
Put your hands
cocktails.
behind
Well,
your
that's all
back.
right.
He's
We'll work it
hurting
out.
me.
No, it's
Okay.
not hurting you. Just relax. Relax.
All right, let's have a seat.
Where you
Let's
from?
figure out what we got going on.
I can't because it hurts.
Where are you
Get a
from?
What are
little
you
emotional.
doing?
Where are you from?
Here you go.
I'm Ukraine and I'm
Okay,
Have a
American.
seat.
What are you
There you
doing?
Just put your legs out here.
There you go.
What are you doing?
Relax. Now talk to us.
I'm
Did you? How much?
My
Did you,
dad
Force
died
yourself
of
down.
stress, you
how much?
guys.
Did, how,
Relax.
I'm a trouble
Stop
nurse.
crying. Tell us what's going on.
how much did you have to drink? Just talk to me with
I
this.
had 3 cocktails.
How many? 3
That's what
cocktails?
you asked me to do, so we have to detain
On
you.
my beard. I swear in Jesus'
Okay,
name.
let's start with this. What's your name?
You
What's
can
your
have
name?
my breast.
What's your?
Hello. You can't force yourself down the jet bridge. You understand? What's your name? Calm down, relax.
Uniform 10013.
Do we have a boarding pass for her or no?
Yes.
Where was it? She put it in her bag. Oh, right there.
Okay, so relax. Okay? The cuffs are just for your safety. Here we go, over here.
Uniform 10013 by air.
Yeah, 35.
How do you say your first name? Bola?
It's Olya.
What is it?
Olya.
Olya? Okay. Do you take medicine? Do you take medicine?
So I have a few cocktails and I just become chit-chatty.
Okay, so you had a couple of cocktails, you became chit-chatty. Did you take any medicine with that
I don't
stuff?
take medicine.
You don't take any medicine? Okay. Do you have an issue
I'm
with
healthy.
do you have an issue with alcohol?
No.
No? Okay,
just,
you understand that you cannot force your way down this way.
I haven't been forcing it. I just was trying to board and sit comfortably, but it's been a few hours delay. And I have another flight to catch. This is the connector for me to go to New Hampshire. I work in a psych facility with kids.
Okay, obviously she's not flying, correct?
I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I cannot not to be flying. I'm flying. I'm gonna be sleeping. I'm just gonna have water and sleep for the whole flight.
If you're intoxicated, we can remove
I'm not intoxicated. I'm fine. That's my baseline of being fine. I
What is that?
The
promise.
issue here is that she's scared the flight attendants because she tried to force her way onto the plane. We have to close the door and stop the boarding process.
So she
Yeah, that's
bypassed you
not,
down that way?
That's absolutely not. And that's what he was telling me when I was in the line. He said, come outside.
I totally
And
realize-
I'm a female. And this intimidates me. And when a male comes up to me and says, let's go outside talk, it makes me want to ninja.
There you go.
Yeah, here we go. But I am
He's the
gonna.
manager.
So what? He's not a pilot. He's not the plane. He's the manager
Okay. So this
who comes up to me in the line and says, let's go outside and talk. No, sir. I would like to board my plane and go to work.
Alright, well the plane's gone, okay?
And it sucks. And
Yeah,
it's not
so
fair.
do me a favor, keep it down. All right? The
How
pin's
do
already
I
gone.
keep it down? I'm in
By keeping your mouth shut.
handcuffs.
I know that, but keep it quiet, okay? That's all you need to do right now.
Female search?
Okay, like completely still.
I get it. But what you need to do is be
It's
quiet.
1 year anniversary since we did
just
that.
calm down.
Is that
and
her
I've
stuff?
been going through fucking a lot. And I'm Eastern European. And I've
listen to
been
what I'm telling
fucking objectified and all
Listen to what
this
I'm
shit.
telling you, okay?
And it's not fair because I'm a good fucking person.
We're not
I'm
saying
a
you're
good
not.
fucking woman.
We're not saying you're not, but you have to act like a lady, okay? Watch your
I'm
leg.
not a lady.
Watch your leg.
I'm not a lady. I don't know what to act as a lady. I'm a medical professional. I'm in scrubs.
Listen.
I'm not a lady. Like,
Listen to him now.
I don't know. It depends what you be saying.
Okay, I'm treating you with respect, right?
Can you take it off of me?
Not right now.
That hurts.
I understand it hurts, but what you need to do is relax. Okay? Calm down. Okay? Because what you don't want is to be taken out of here, crying and everything else, right?
Oh my, I was supposed to be on the plane. And he was playing me.
So the plane is gone. So there's nothing to do about that now.
I'm from the family of all women. I have a sister, 3 sisters. And I don't understand how that would be the case. I was there with her. And I'm fine. I had a few cocktails, but I'm not trying to, I'm responsible. I'm just trying to
Alright, don't worry about it then.
Okay.
So I thought she was on the phone with the headset, but she was talking to me, and then she started talking to passengers randomly, and people were yeah, some of the passengers were caught by surprise. They didn't know what to say, so I turned around and I asked her, "Is everything all right?" So she says, "She's none of your business. You know, get out of here." And I can smell alcohol, so I tell, "Do you mind? Let's go outside and let's talk about this."
So
Initially,
you tried to bring her back.
yeah, I
She's
never
already
put my hands on her.
down.
Just say, could you please go outside and I'm going to put you on the next flight. I'm going to give you time to sober up. But she kept walking to the point that I have to go down. I talked to the flight attendants, I explained the situation, and then she became loud. She said, you know, let me go in. So we have to close the door. And at that point, then I called County. So that's just what
So
happened.
you tried to bring her back?
Yes, to have a conversation to
And she-
rebook her on the next flight.
And she
But
said,
she didn't want to go. She didn't want to get rebooked.
Then she
kept
started
walking
cursing F this, you F
all
this,
this was
you peon.
inside the jet bridge.
We
And then
asked
she
her to
tried
come
to get
off,
onto the,
and even customer says, hey, there's kids here. And you mother, just, she didn't know.
Gotcha.
I know I'm a nurse practitioner, you're a peon.
So did she ever make entry onto the plane, or no? They kind of stopped.
No,
it?
we have to close the door.
We had to close
Oh,
the
so you
door.
closed the door.
Yeah.
So she never did
No,
actually.
she never did.
Okay, so basically it was her disturbance in the
Correct.
bridge.
Correct.
Authority of Hollywood at 1530 North
What's
Federal
your, let me
Highway
see
in the
your
auto
information?
zone, reference
Yes.
41.
So you're denying the boarding, or what are you? So she never did make entry onto the plane. It's more or less y'all got into
Correct.
a verbal dispute right
Yes.
here on the plane.
We were trying to prevent her from
I
coming
got
into
you.
the
Okay, so she didn't like breach the plane or anything. That was my main concern. Stop the plane from normal operations.
Right.
Okay,
No,
so
that's
that-
what I said when I called.
Okay. Alright,
She's
so
trying to
basically-
force her way.
Okay, cool. So you engaged her inside of the jet bridge, asked her to turn around, and became a verbal disturbance. Basically.
Yes.
Okay, I understand. So that's a different ball of wax than actually breaching the plane, and you know that's why I wanted that clarification.
She tried.
Gotcha.
Good job, you shut that door quick.
I sleep for 8 hours in the train.
Can I ask you a question, senora? Can I ask you a question?
I don't know.
Listen,
Yes.
when you were drinking today, did you take any
Here.
medication? Any medication at all?
I don't take drugs. I don't
Okay,
do
but I'm saying
drugs.
you don't take any prescription drugs that might have counter-affected you with the alcohol?
No,
Okay.
I have only for my friend.
That's not you to stand by the copy of Bolo.
Thank you 3 hours.
Respect to all units. It's going to be Authority of Hollywood at 1530 North Federal Highway in the auto zone, reference 41. Armed robbery.
If you keep it down, I can take you a little bit closer up. It's
Advising
cooler.
the subject
You want that?
pointed the gun
So you got to keep
And
it
so
down
we
there,
give
okay?
my subject in the left.
Yeah.
Wearing a white shirt with black
Put your feet up here. We're gonna help you out.
Please.
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you.
No sagging for me.
No, it's true. I just can't.